Today we might be breaking a S650, also known as my S650. Lund Racing makes this tune.
We are one of the first people to be tuning a full exhaust Mustang. He's got the 315 differential paired with the 10-speed, the 5.0, full exhaust, long tube headers. What else you got? What is it? H-pipe, X-pipe?
X-pipe.
Exhaust system. It's got the 315. Other than that, it's not supercharged. We're one of the first guys to tune it. That's not
a professional shop.
No. Sponsored. We're not sponsored by any tuners. If the tuner sucks, we're gonna be honest with you. If the tuner's amazing, we're gonna be honest with you. We're not these guys that are gonna be like, you're having 700 horsepower out of this. 0 to 60 in -3 seconds. You're actually gonna be part of the speed force.
Okay, so
right.
basically I have 1/7/8 long tube headers by Cooks. I have Bluetooth cats, X-pipe, and I have a Valtronic mufflers.
Your headers, what brand are they?
I already said Cooks.
All right,
Cooks,
you said Cooks.
long tube headers.
Cooks long tube headers.
1/7/8.
Again,
with Bluetooth cats.
Again, this is the 10-speed with the 315 because Ford likes to have like 9 different differentials for some reason. Also, this is not a how-to video. If you brick your car, we brick his car. This is not our problem. Can you see active parameters on this as you're driving or no?
I can custom it.
Yeah, you don't need air vents because air conditioning loses power.
It's true. In cars like that over there, if you hit the AC button, it's like hitting the NOS button.
There is one thing that actually we forgot to mention. We do have the iced out taillights on this, which adds what? Shane, how much horsepower does this add?
That's 25 also. I also washed my car the other day, so we got all that dirt and
weight reduction
stuff on there, so that is weight reduction right there. So our power to weight ratio went up.
It's true. It did.
Yeah, it did.
All right, so the tune is on here. This is 91, 93 octane. It's updated.
Okay.
Oh no, I think this is updated.
So this is updated.
Yeah, so I can just unplug it, I think. And we will...
What
doing the spins.
Flipping the camera back, sitting on wires and shit.
Yo, peep this Easter egg. Peep this Easter egg I just
Peeping
found.
this Easter egg. That's a hidden Mustang, hidden Mickey. It's been a long time coming for you. You've been waiting for this for damn near a year.
I got the headers and everything installed before. Really, when you get headers, you should have a tune.
Yes.
So wait, we can look at what this thing can do. What does module info do? Does that show you
Shows
like the
my
current
axle and
calibrations?
stuff, yeah.
Okay. Diagnostic and tools so you can diagnose your car.
I can turn off my check engine light because of my Bluetooth catalytic converter.
Oh yeah, that's got to be the most exciting part, low-key.
Well, you won't get a check engine light because everything will be running correct.
Yeah. Oh, there's also another thing that I will show you later.
Surprise for later.
It better be your penis.
Oh shit.
My stock calibration. Oh fuck! Should have been.
So this is actually exactly like
Key off.
when I did it to mine. You can link to that video right here, or right there, right there.
Right there.
It's actually very, very similar, with the exception of you don't have to climb underneath this car to actually do anything to it, which is pretty cool.
It's true. I brought tools just in case, but does not look like we need them.
It said key off for 3 seconds. I turned it off and then I turned it back on. Should I just turn it off?
No, bro. It's just
Oh yeah, for 3 seconds. So turn it off for 3 more seconds.
Why don't you open and close the door?
I agree with that. Wait for all your electronics to turn off. There you go. Now wait 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Weird how there's no steps after key off for 3 seconds. It's just key off and pray to God. I wonder if the car's not fully shutting off for whatever reason. What we can do is do the door shut thing again, but take the key out of the car and walk like over there with it.
Try that. Shane, why don't you lock it? Yeah. Yeah, when he locked it, it shut the lights off. So now everything is off. Right, we don't got any ambient lighting on, no little screen is on, we got no beeps, nothing. Try that. Something's happening. Blind spot system fault.
Performance cals.
Yeah, what are
return to stock. It
Is that it? Is it already
shouldn't say
done?
that. It should say save. Maybe we already. There's no way we already did it. It says either return to stock or performance cals.
Let's do the performance cal.
Performance cal.
It's my tune. Should I just load my tune on there?
Yeah.
Alright, fuck it.
Isn't that what we're trying to do?
Again, don't forget, worst comes to worst. You can get that, reflash it for it.
Oh, here we go. So the tune is on this device. And it's now
Correct.
going to your ECU.
in your house, worst comes to worst.
911 assist is not operational.
That scared
Please
the fuck
visit
out
your
of me. I thought it called it.
I did too. Could you
Don't even,
imagine?
I'm not even gonna touch it.
So, if this just called 911 operator, what would you say?
Help! I'm tuning my car!
911 is on the way.
Can't get out! So after this tune is uploaded to my ECU, I am going to have to do a data log. I will show you how I do it. Go for a ride. We're gonna have to do like certain pulls, but not wide open throttle. And then at the very end, I think we do a wide open throttle. So it's gonna be a long, very long data log. It's gonna be a very long data log. They said that's fine, and I saw a lot of things online saying that they'd rather have a very long one than 10 different ones. It's a lot easier to see that way. So I got my headers and everything on probably like 4 months ago. I've been running without a tune. Car ran a lot better, I think. I mean, it was a lot of throttle response. So this is obviously gonna really tie in everything. It's gonna make it so much better.
All right, I think.
Here's the gauges and stuff. So select. I have all these gauges.
Oh shoot.
Is there any gauges that you have on there you can't get in your car?
A lot.
A lot. Okay.
This is literally everything.
Ty, what's FRP?
Fuel rail pressure maybe.
Probably, yeah.
I should put on my RPM just in case.
Yeah, that's good. Put on RPM to make sure that it's reading correctly. Cause that and do RPM and speed.
Where would that be? What
Under
the fuck?
Under RPM and speed. Under RPM/speed.
Yeah, Asian eyeballs were working right there. RPM, DSD. This is gonna get tied up. We'll fix this, but I can even tuck it underneath my floor mat.
Well, it starts. I was gonna say, I wonder if the smell changed. Maybe a little bit. Maybe a little bit. Remember, it used to be super super rich. Yeah. I think. Yeah, it's a little more like. What you say?
I was using a different octane before, so you guys probably don't know.
Oh, maybe. That's true.
It smells different for sure.
It does. It smells a little different.
So now we gotta do a data log. Oh wait, the cable management, so I don't die.
Okay, wait. Let's do cable management, and then we'll come back with the first run.
I gotta start the log and let it idle. So it says let idle for 3 to 5 minutes.
All right.
Then I gotta rev to 1500 RPM and hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Do the same for 2500, 3500, and then drive it in second or third gear. Do a couple slow RPM climbs from 2500 RPM to 4500 RPM.
Okay.
Do not go wide open throttle.
Do not go wide open throttle. You're not gonna go wide open throttle.
Stay part throttle, then do 1 second or third gear, 25 to 7000 RPM. Then do 1 second or third gear, 25 to 7000 RPM, wide open throttle.
Ooh, that's gonna be fun.
There's a lot.
Every single, it's every single gauge on here that they're recording. Rev to 1500 RPM, hold for 10 to 15 seconds, then do it again. So.
All right.
That was hard. It's hard to do, dude. It's hard to do it. I gotta do the same for 25 and then 35.
You just sit there.
Imagine I did this with my exhaust open.
You think that makes a difference?
Shouldn't. It might actually. I don't know. Should I stop?
How long does it do it?
10 to 15 seconds.
Oh, you're definitely good then. I think you definitely went over 15 seconds.
Dude, fuck it.
Buckle up, baby boy.
All right, here we go. You want to buckle? You're already buckled.
I'm already ready to go.
Oh, look. This is the new thing that it does. It puts up the gear here. Before, it never said the gear. But since I got this tune, it tells me the gear what I'm in.
So
in any gauge mode, it does that, which is amazing.
That's really cool.
That's what I wanted. I wish Ford did that. Already, my car feels weird.
Does it?
No.
Oh. John said there might be some placebo going on, but I mean,
Please. I gotta do something.
There's a chance I left my phone on your roof. Well, we'll deal with that when we get to it.
I'm gonna do another one. 25 to 45.
It says
35 to, or 25 to 45.
25 to 45.
Wide open throttle. For
Do
second.
not go wide open throttle. Stay part throttle. Then do 1 second or third gear, 2,500 to 7,000 RPM, wide open throttle log.
So wait, the first one I gotta do is 25.
25 to 35.
All right. Well, I guess. Okay, that's what I did.
So you already did that? Okay. Now do slow RPM climb. So slow from 2,500 to 4,500.
So 45.
Yep. So then do 1 second or third gear, 2,500 to 7,000 RPM, wide open throttle.
All right, ready?
And then it says come to a stop after you do it though. And then let idle for 1 to 2 minutes. So we're gonna have to do it at a place where you can
I
come
can
to
do
a
it
stop.
up here. I'll be able to do it up here.
There is a car behind the cell, by the way.
I'll be able to do it up here.
You gotta go wide open throttle. So basically once you do a pole,
I didn't go wide open. I was afraid to. Maybe I'll do another one to
we
go.
might have to do it again, man. Because it says it wants you to do that, and then you have to
Yeah,
stop. We can't really stop right now. Dude, that smells
I know, it's my
stinky.
buffer.
Stinky.
It's my. These are closed.
Yeah. And then just pull up and then give him some room.
Okay.
Oh wait, hold on. There's a cop. Hold on.
Yo.
Yes.
So what's going on?
So it had us do that poll, that 2,500 to 7,000.
Is it telling you how to log it?
Huh?
Yes, we're reading.
Blue?
It said to stop and idle for 1 to 2
Because
minutes,
my
and then we stop
valves are
recording the
closed.
log. Why did you think the car broke for a second?
No. I was just curious what you're doing.
Yep. Following the
Yo,
instructions.
what if a big dude with a skin mask, leather face, just pulled up behind me and slashed my fucking throat? Fuck!
He said my smoke was blue back there.
That's the fuel.
Okay.
That's that fuel.
So the thing is, my shit's closed, so that's why it smells so fucking bad. When it's open, I promise it doesn't smell like this shit. So one thing I noticed, I'm in 10th gear right now. Usually my car would sit at 8.
Oh shoot, yeah.
So
That's so weird to see that. Gear 10.
I know. That's the fuel mileage that's better right there. I'll actually change my gauges up on the fly, my cluster. I used to drive like this in sport. It also gives it up here now. This used to be blank.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Unless I was in manual mode. So there's that one. The normal one's right here. I don't know what this. Oh yeah, it still has it. I already had it on track. This is in calm. Oh my god, I'm all over the road. I look like a drunk driver. But yeah, I mean, I'm fucking stoked. I'm excited to
this is very exciting.
I'm really excited to fucking let it eat.
Well, you know what? Now we have a tuned S650. What'd you think?
Shane's daddy. Shane has the fastest car in the friend group. He's daddy.
True.
That's it. Like a week after this video is posted, Booost will actually give an update on how Shane's car is running.
Yes.
Is it, how's fuel economy's doing, how
bricked it is.
Yes, it's bricked. How, after him driving it for a week or two, how the transmission relearns itself. It feels quicker, but feels slower. Just anything. And you can find an update on his car if you are subscribed to Booost.
It's true.
It's true, yeah.
Make sure you turn on notifications as well.
Yeah, you don't have to. But
Smash that notification bell!
what's it called? But yeah, this is my journey with my car. I think it's fun documenting it. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. But you don't have to.
We gotta save the stock tune.
All right, guys. So, gentlemen, we are going in my house.
Why don't you get it out?
Because it's right here.
You should try to sell him something right in front of the sign.
Stop soliciting, dude.
Fuck!